Here are the top Method cleaning essentials that keep your home clean, fresh, and smelling amazing without harsh chemicals. Number 1. Method Daily Granite Cleaner Spray. This Method Daily Granite Cleaner is made for sealed stone surfaces like granite and marble. It cleans without streaks, protects the finish, and leaves a light apple orchard scent behind. Perfect for everyday use when you want your counters to look polished and fresh. Number 2. Method Foaming Hand Soap. Method Foaming Hand Soap in sweet water is gentle on hands, but tough on dirt. The rich foam rinses clean without drying your skin, and the fresh, clean scent feels light and refreshing. Great for both kitchens and bathrooms. Hashtag Method All-Purpose Cleaner. This all-purpose cleaner handles most surfaces with ease: counters, tiles, appliances, and more. The lime and sea salt scent is fresh but not overpowering, and it cuts through grease quickly without leaving residue behind. Number 4. Method Foaming Hand Soap. If you like a clean, coastal-style scent, this Sea Minerals Foaming Hand Soap is a great choice. Soft foam, gentle formula, and a refreshing smell that makes hand washing feel a little more premium. And number 5. Method Antibacterial All-Purpose Cleaner. This antibacterial all-purpose cleaner kills 99.9% of household germs while staying plant-based. Ideal for kitchens and high-touch surfaces, it cleans effectively and leaves a crisp citron scent behind.